Okay, since most of you are lovers and you are soldiers, I am using the word. That's why I thought I'll say few thoughts on environment and I'll discuss with other issues raised by everyone. I'm going to talk about that. So any environmental discussion because you are going to you are like I call you as a TOT. This is the training for teachers. You are all teachers. You have to take this message to your respective colleges. That's why I want to spend few minutes about what environment, how environmentalism started. If we have to talk about environment, because environment, where to start? I know elder people spoke about and they are all experts in environment, but as a law teacher, where to start discussion on environmental protection, conservation, protection, preservation for not only present generation, for future generation. But where to start? There is a saying, it's Latin maxim, what we call sic utere uto ad alenium non leaders. This is a Latin maxim, so maybe sometimes pronunciation is difficult. But what do you mean by this sic utero principle? Any discussion, because I can find all the teachers are here, the students are here. Any discussion on that, we have to start sic utero principle. What do you mean by that? That means that you use resources not harming others. This is the principle which we are following from Vedas to Puranas to all, don't harm others, use resources. It's not new to the humanity, but this principle was part of environmentalism, environmental movement. So how it evolved? Without taking time, I know we are spared for more than 1.5 hours. I don't want to take much time, but I have to give message. So this was a customary principle. This principle, use resources not harming others, is a principle which was followed by centuries. Civilizations followed this principle, but recently it got attention because of the degradation of environment. That's where this principle assumed. So it was a customary principle, voluntarily nation states, civilizations used to take this. But because of the challenges posed by the environment, so this principle has been transformed from a customary, a voluntary principle to a binding norm. That's where all the discussions in environmental protection, environmental movement, start. Maybe always I say that we all know that Stockholm Conference 1972 is the Renaissance Reformation movement for protection, preservation of environment. This is the beginning. So in 1972, including great leaders like our late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi also participated, and so this was the first time global community, international community talked about the environmental protection. The title of this 1972 Stockholm